Hey, what's up everybody, CJC presents WandA with another recipe video, and this is awesome. You can either do it for breakfast, lunch, hell, even dinner. So let's get right to it. So first we're going to start off with some diced onions. This is about like half of a large one, and I use like a quarter of another one, but realistically you just want to chop up one medium onion. Then of course you got your spray pan. Once it heats up, put the onions on there, saute them for a little bit. Alright, so while those are sauteing, cooking, make sure you get them to a nice golden brown. In the meantime, you're gonna chop one jalapeno pepper or any hot pepper of your choice. Hot peppers are pretty good, they open up the sinuses and they have plenty of vitamins for you. So once you chop that up, put it in there, let it sit for another minute or two. Okay, so once you're done chopping up your jalapeno, put it in there again for a minute or two. In the meantime, you're going to drain 1 can of beans. This could be black beans, white beans taste really good with it, chickpeas, whatever you want. Any 1 can of any beans. This is 15 and a half. That's the one I like to go to. You could also use a smaller one if you want. Okay, so once you've added your black beans, you're going to do the following. You're going to add a little bit of olive oil. Now we're going to add a little bit of taco seasoning. If you have your own, great. If not, I recommend McCormick Taco Original. Pretty good, in my personal opinion. Once you do that, mix it up a little bit, let it sit for a minute, then we're going to go to the next step. Alright, so once you mix it up, looking nice color, we're going to add eggs. I'm adding 3 here. You can also do egg whites, about half a cup, but if not, 3 eggs, crack it in, mix it up, scramble it, and we'll get to the next step. Okay, so once these eggs are scrambled into the mix, we're going to add salsa. I'm using cheese. Preferably, I like the hot, but I just have mild at the moment. So we're gonna add that. I like to add until it kind of just covers it and surfaces it, so we'll do it like this. So just till it covers, and then we're gonna mix it up, and then we're gonna go to the next step. Once we have mixed in the salsa, next step is we are going to add about a cup of baby spinach. Now realistically, it would probably be like a handful and a half for me, but obviously everyone has different hand sizes. So if you have like Boban Marjanovic hands, it's gonna be different for you. So let's just give or take about a cup of baby spinach, and of course make sure they are washed. The following is going to be optional. I'm going to add a little bit of cheese, shredded cheese, mozzarella. This is really great, especially if you're lactose intolerant. So if you want to add some cheese in your life, I definitely recommend this. If not, you don't have to. You can also serve it with slices of avocado as well. But if you don't, let's get to this final step. What's this final step, you may ask? Well, it's just to simply serve it. Well, you need 1 medium onion, or about half a large onion. Dice that up, put it in first. Then 1 jalapeno pepper, put that in, or any spicy pepper of your choice. Dice it in, saute a little bit. Then any 15.5 ounce or 16 ounce can of beans of your preference, whether it's black beans, white beans, chickpeas, whatever. Even red kidney beans, right? Whatever your preference is. Cook that for a little bit, add a little bit of olive oil, taco seasoning, mix that up until it's a nice golden brown. Then you're gonna add eggs, whether it's regular 3 eggs or half a cup of egg whites. Then you're gonna add a little bit of salsa that encompasses the entire mixture. Then about a cup of spinach. Again, if you want to do a handful and a half, that works just fine. But again, if you have like Boban Marjanovic hands, it might be a little different. So let's just go with a cup. And then of course you have your optional cheese, and serving it with slices of avocado. And that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoy. And what day am I posting this? Oh yeah.
It's Taco Tuesday!
Peace.